it came from? For you, y'all. Ooh, come on, come on.
So let's talk about the California Dream for All Shared Application Program. So the site that you go to is www.calhfa.ca.gov/dream. Okay. And so that's calhfa dot ca for California.gov dream. Okay. So the program highlights they offer up to 20% of a down payment or closing costs and not to exceed 150,000. Okay. So that's how much money you can get up to. Okay. Eligibility is the first one borrower must be a first generational home buyer. First generation home buyer. And then all borrowers must be first time home buyers. Income must meet income limits for the county you are purchasing in. Okay, let's dive right in. Another thing I want you to take a close good look at is the box all the way to the right. The registration portal open April 3rd, 2024 at 8 a.m. Pacific time and close April 29th, 2024 at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. In the meantime, talk with the approved lender to get ready. That's the box right here, register for voucher. So that's where you're going to click. Okay. So it says at the top, California Dream for All Shared Appreciation Loan. The Dream for All Shared Appreciation Loan is a down payment assistance program for first-time homebuyers to be used in conjunction with the Dream for All conventional first-time mortgage for down payment and or closing costs. Upon sale or transfer of the home, the home buyer repays the original down payment loan plus a share of the appreciation and the value of the home. Okay. So, for instance, you won't have to pay if the home costs you 500,000 or something like that. You will just be having to repay the down payment loan. Okay. And you got for the down payment plus any shared appreciation if the home appreciated and however long you stay in the home, then you just have to pay a percentage of that value. And that's it. So that's all you guys have to pay back. Okay, so California Dream, what all you can do to get ready? Let's watch this video and see what we can do. And YouTube, just for educational purposes only and research.
Hi, I'm Justin Mixon with the California Housing Finance Agency, and I'm going to help you get ready for the application process for the Dream for All Shared Appreciation Loan. Before we get started, take a deep breath. The application window is open for most of April, and applications will be drawn randomly once the window is closed, so you have time to get ready. There are several things you can do to be sure you are prepared. First, talk to a mortgage professional to discuss your finances and credit. Second, gather required documents and information. Third, educate yourself how shared appreciation impacts your mortgage repayment. First, you will need to contact one of our approved lenders. We have mortgage professionals serving every county in California, so there should be someone who can help you out no matter where you live. You can find a list of our approved lenders on our website. The lender may suggest that you chat with a housing counselor to help you out with any questions you have and will help you feel more confident that this is the right decision for you. Second, your lender can help you gather the documents you'll need to submit in the online application portal once it opens in April. Those documents will include a Dream for All lender pre-approval letter that your lender will fill out and give to you, any sort of government ID, passport, driver's license, state-issued ID, military ID, permanent resident card, visas, or employment authorization documents, proof of your current address, a government ID, utility bill, cell phone bill, insurance bill, voter registration, or car registration. If applicable, proof that you were in the foster care system, such as a foster care verification letter or form or other court document. You will also need to have some information about your parents to help us verify that you're a first-generation homebuyer, their names and dates of birth and current address or date of death if they have passed. And third, you will need to review our 1-hour online education about shared appreciation loans. It gives a good overview of how the money works and what you will have to pay back when you sell or refinance your home. Remember that whatever you repay goes to help the next round of home buyers. Once all of your documents are ready and you are informed, you can relax until April. To apply, you'll submit your documents on our website, and please be sure to double check everything. We will be checking every submission and will contact you if you have questions or need more information. So to be sure to monitor your email once you submit your application. After the document submission window closes on April 29th, we will randomly select qualified applicants to receive a Dream for All voucher until the available funds are allocated. If your name is drawn, you will have 90 days to find a home. Keep in close contact with your approved lender, who will be able to answer any other questions you have. Good luck, and make sure to check out our other informative videos.
Okay, so to qualify for the shared appreciation loan, one borrower being a first generation home buyer. A first generation home buyer is defined as a home buyer who has not been on title, held an ownership interest, or have been named on a mortgage to a home, or on permanent foundation and on land in the United States in the past 7 years. And the to the best of the home buyer's knowledge, whose parents, biological or adopted, do not have any present ownership interest in a home in the United States, or if deceased, whose parents do not have any ownership interest at the time of death in a home in the United States, or an individual who has at any time been placed in a foster care or institutional care type out of the home residential care for large groups of children by non-related caregivers. So that's how you can tell if you are a first generation home buyer. Again, you will have to take an online 8-hour home buying education and counseling course. The fee is $99, and it must be followed up with the one-on-one counseling follow-up session. Okay. Now, you can do your counseling in person or virtual, and you can pick up the HUD approved housing counseling vouchers. You could download that right here, or Neighbor Works Americans, any one of those. Okay. So now, are you a first time home buyer? To know for sure, you should understand that a first time home buyer is defined as someone who has not owned or and occupied their home in the last 3 years, and who has not lived in a home owned by a spouse in the past 3 years. If any of these circumstances happened more than 3 years ago, or you have never owned a home, you can apply for the benefits of Cal HFA's First Time Homebuyers Program. Exceptions may apply. So, like I said, talk to one of the preferred loan officers for more information, okay? So that'll be it. I wanted to actually go over income documents as far as the pay stubs. You need to prove your monthly income. So pay stubs, all the monthly income that you do get, even government assistance programs like SSI, disability, retirement checks, pensions. If you're on a fixed income, if you're on the GR, if you're on a county, people fall and hardships, but everything else might be good. Just apply, okay? I'll be doing follow-up videos. I'll be getting ready, and I'll be hosting a live session to help you guys apply and get ready for it. So please be on the lookout for that. If you like this video, if you find this video very informative, please share and please subscribe and press the notification button. And until next time, I'll see you.